Life gets messy. Let the O-Cedar Easy Ring Spin Mop and Bucket System help you get a deep clean easier than ever before. Its innovative hands-free wringing system lets you wring your mop with only the push of a pedal. The 100% microfiber mop head gets rid of all that dirt and grime. Whether you're short or tall, the handle adjusts from 33 to 51 inches. Great for all hard floor surfaces. To keep neat and tidy, the splash guard keeps potential splash and spray inside the bucket when wringing. The pivoting head allows you to get around and under furniture. Clean the hard-to-reach corners with ease with the unique triangular shaped head. The Easy Ring Spin Mop from O-Cedar. Give it a whirl. O-Cedar makes your life easier.
Welcome to Umatello, your new home phone system. This video will quickly walk you through how to set up your Umatello. Included in this box is the Umatello device, an Ethernet cable, and an AC adapter. You'll also need a high-speed internet connection, a touch-tone phone, and a computer. So let's get started. Begin by locating the 7-digit activation code printed on the bottom of the Tello. Then go to ooma.com/activate and click on Activate Your New Account. Here you will enter your activation code. Select a phone number or temporary number if you plan on using your current number. Enter contact information and create a password. Register your 911 service address and add billing information. Now click Activate to create your MyUma account. Using the included Ethernet cable, connect the internet port of the Tello to an open Ethernet port on your router. Then, using your existing phone cable, plug your phone into the phone port. Power up your Umatello by plugging in the provided AC adapter. While your device boots up, the lights will blink for a couple of minutes, and when it's ready to go, the Ooma logo will light up solid blue. Now pick up the phone, listen for the signature Ooma dial tone, and say hello to free calling.
Dynatrap operates quietly and simply, without requiring propane or other chemicals. Simply plug it into any wall outlet and flip the switch. You won't even know it's at work until you begin to see the results. Within a week, you'll see a noticeable reduction. In 6 weeks, with continuous 24/7 operation, you will have successfully broken the mosquito life cycle. But Dynatrap does much more than just trap mosquitoes. Many types of moths, including the troublesome gypsy moth, are a disruption to vegetation. In the caterpillar stage of development, they eat and destroy trees, plants, and vegetables in your garden. Dynatrap controls these flying pests. UV light from Dynatrap provides a warm attraction to flying insects. Carbon dioxide emitted from the unit mimics our breath, creating an irresistible attraction. When insects approach, Dynatrap's quiet, powerful vacuum fan draws them into a retaining cage where they dry up and die. And unlike other mosquito traps which require placement at or near the breeding site, Dynatrap can be placed anywhere within the entrapment area, including areas of human traffic. Stop zapping. Start trapping with Dynatrap.